Hey, it's David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage, and boy, am I bringing you real value. This week in Real Value, we talk with Jesse and Becky and their journey in going from being casual lookers in the marketplace to buyers and then needing to sell their home or wanting to sell their home. And how are they going to juggle all that with busy careers? Let's let Jesse and Becky tell you about that. All right. Well, today I'm here with Becky and Jesse. They're the homeowners of this beautiful home. We met about a week ago. They came into a home that they fell in love with and that I had listed. We were able to present their offer, get it accepted, and then it's like, oh yeah, we need to sell our home. So we got financing the same day on a Saturday, which is incredible. Shout out to Josh Osborne at Cross Country Mortgage. Did a phenomenal job, really took care of things. That process is going smoothly. And now we're in their home that we're going to market. And so we thought, well, let's take a look, right? And look at some of the things that maybe need to get addressed, taken care of, so that it'll be really special for the next people, the people that make this their home. How long have you been in this home?
We moved into this home in April of 2016.
2016, so we're what, 17, 18, 19, 20?
6 years.
Wow,
6
6
years.
years.
Yeah.
6 beautiful years, got a lot of great memories.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
But now it's that time to move on. Sometimes it's hard to leave. And really, that Saturday morning a week ago, you weren't really thinking about leaving or selling or buying.
Correct. We were casually looking.
Casually looking. I'm just looking. I'm just playing on the internet, and I thought I'd get outside for the day, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Took a tour at an early open house, and it was like, wow. Yeah, incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible. So far, so good. We're 1 week into it.
One weekend. Yep.
1 weekend, we're doing some things. Things are moving kind of fast. You guys work like crazy. You have got crazy hours.
Yep.
So having us come in and kind of do some stuff and coordinate the trades, doing all the little things, has that been helpful at all?
Extremely helpful.
Okay,
for us.
so
Yeah, I think it would be challenging to get it listed as quickly, with the closing on the home that we purchased to make that process go if we had to sort of take our time to do that.
it would really stretch out the time.
Yep.
Plus, it just, you get burnt out.
Right.
Moving
Right.
Yeah.
from here to a new home, and you just want to really focus on what's going to happen at our new place,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Does our furniture work? Does this,
Yes.
whatever, right? So all the cool stuff. So we're taking this. We got the pod delivered. I saw it out there in the driveway. Big pod.
Yes.
Did they grow?
Seems like it. We used one when we moved into this house too.
It looks like a bigger pod. So we'll see how tactical you're going to be
Right.
with filling that pod. So we're going to declutter, get some stuff in a pod. After all, they're moving. They're moving to a new home,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So this is a perfect chance that we're going to declutter. Got a teenager or still in the home, so some of the teenager stuff has got to get rearranged a little bit.
Yeah.
But we're
Yeah.
making the home ready. They're going to live a staged life. The final thing that's going to happen here is Leo is going to come in. They're going to do a plan for the furniture, stage it. Then Greg's going to come in, video and photograph the home. We're going to put it on the market. We're going to show the market, showcase this home to the market, like $1 million mansion. And then we're going to invite people to come in for a weekend, and then we'll look at the offers right at the end of the weekend,
Yep.
and it'll be an awesome thing. So this will be fun. We're here with Jesse and Becky, and we're doing a full get your home ready for the marketplace. Thank you bunch. Okay, so we've heard from Jesse and Becky. We've seen some of the things that were done. We coordinated our crews, our staff were able to coordinate pods being delivered because there was some decluttering that needed to happen. Then to freshen up and make repairs, we stretched carpet and painted walls, and then repaired and refreshed the decks. And then also the newel post for the stairs going up was a little bit loose. So we were able to bring in the right trades. It really wasn't overwhelming when you have someone that knows what they're doing, project manage that, get it done promptly, get it done affordably, and actually have that work deliver more money to you as a homeowner. So we got them a great deal on the home of their dreams, and we got them a great deal on the home that they were in. And all of a sudden, that home, you start to wonder why you were selling the home you were in. And if you didn't have that new home that you purchased, you might just say, well, after all this refreshing, by golly, it looks pretty good. I think we'll just stay put. But anyway, they were able to sell the home. We were able to sell the home for them. They sold at the right time. We were able to get not only top dollar, but on terms that were flexible for them, giving them flexible closing, getting them the cash that they needed so that they didn't have to do a HELOC or any other kind of financing. They were able to keep their money in retirement funds, all that stuff. So you want a professional that can take everything over the top, make your life comfortable. If you've got a busy schedule, if you've got equity in your home, if you want to buy a new place, there's no better place that I know of than the residential team at Century 21 Advantage in Sioux Falls. Tell them you heard about this on Real Value. I'm David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage, signing off till next time. Tell you something about myrealitypro.com. When I was introduced to this augmented reality, I was blown away. And when I introduced other people to this technology, just really a photo of me that turned into a video conversation, and I watched people look at that, and I was at a leadership conference, and I saw over 1,500 people gathered around the 100 cards that I passed out with different people, and they were like, wow, they were blown away, they were mind blown. And so myrealitypro.com, the app is more than a shiny object. It's a tool that enables you to communicate with others and for others to experience something that you experienced. You combine that app with phenomenal photography, and you have got a message that is infectious that other people want to see and share. So go to myrealitypro.com, check out the app, download it, come to Sioux Falls, look at my listings, and start from there. And just imagine what your life could be like, what your business could be like, in sharing an augmented reality that is truly real and very interactive. So check it out today, myrealitypro.com.